they say a fool and his money will soon parted. And this guy is no fool. He's one of my favorite yokai. His name is Greesel. He makes people greedy. Oh, and also when this guy inspirits someone, all they can think about is saving their money. Soon, no one will spend a cent. But this guy knows how to ration stuff, like electricity, water supply, doing laundry. He even knows how to save energy, his own energy. Alexa, play Battle Frontier by Silver Storm.
Battle Frontier by Silver Storm on Amazon Music.
It's a battle, win or lose. It's the friends you make, it's the road you choose. You've got the right stuff, so make your mind up. Find the courage inside of you. If you're strong, you'll survive, and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be, and find your destiny. It's the
Special fact about Greesel, this guy goes around floating on his magic hovering pillow.
You've got the strength to win it, so stay in it. If you're smart, you can take it on. If you're strong, you'll survive, and you'll keep your dream alive. It's the battle frontier. Pokemon, be the best you can be, and find your destiny. It's the
There he is.
master plan.
That is how you draw a Greesel.
In your hands,
guy knows how to ration stuff, then so can I. Get ready, Greasel. I'm gonna prove you right. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.